Hey, today we're reviewing Salt Life. Entered Salt Life. I'm not sure how long it's going to be for a table.
Okay, let's do upstairs.
I just love the bar and the decorations, the neutral pastels. Hey, how you doing? A lot of great outdoor dining here. Live music. This guy can sing.
There's a 40-minute wait tonight, so we're going to check out the pier across the street from Salt Life.
So a lot of people don't really pay attention to pedestrians, but they give you complimentary orange warning flags to cross to get to the pier from the Salt Life and the Sunset Grill. This is pretty interesting. We're on our way to one of the largest piers in the United States. At one time, this is one of the largest piers in the Northeast. Now, this is actually the St Augustine Beach, a little different than Volano Beach. Very wide, very pristine. Look at those waves come in. It's a gorgeous view, close to sunset tonight. We've made it to the end of the pier. We see a lot of people fishing, waiting for our meal at Salt Life. But just a perfect day to watch the sunset.
The beaches are amazing here in St. Augustine.
Look at the aquarium. Finally got our table ready. A lot of big screen TVs. Got a nice dining room. I like how this dining room looks.
Our Boca is very, very popular.
What's the Boca?
It's a grouper. You got it in a sandwich, or you can do it in an entree as well.
Okay.
Yep. I love our
actually, the grouper actually has avocado. Oh, that's
avocado, tomato, and the Boca lime drizzle on it.
okay.
Really, really good. Our sushi is absolutely amazing. The crab and avocado roll is probably my favorite. The crunch, close second. Beach boil. Beach boil, you get a little bit of everything. Shrimp, crab,
Right, it's
sausage. Yes. It's amazing. And this one,
Yeah, I was looking at those now.
Yep.
Tell me about this fish chowder.
It's good. It's like tomato based.
Yep.
A lot of really good things on this menu here. I'm not sure if I should get a hamburger or do you think I should come to a place like this, you want to do something original. Maybe I should get the two sushi.
The sandwich or the meal?
The sandwich. So I'm going to go with Boca Grouper. Where's our food?
I know. At least the soup.
Oh, this is my salad, and that's your chowder.
Well, this is pretty good.
It's a little bit dark here. Wow, this looks pretty good.
This looks really good.
I'm excited. So this is a Boca fish sandwich with probably tartar sauce. Your bowl looks better than mine. So I just found out that Salt Life has 2 locations in addition to this one in St. Augustine Beach. Had a great meal tonight. Now it's time to leave. This is the view from the second story looking towards the dining room. I love the nuanced colors and natural materials. Very good night here. People love the drinks. Some of the more popular ones are special margarita. They also have a nutmeg flavored pina colada.
Look at those drinks.
Those vitamin C, that looks amazing.
That is beautiful.
Okay.
Looks real good.
So what do you think about Salt Life? Leave your comments and likes below.